Hi guys, welcome back. This is I am from adventure2.com, and today I'm gonna make a quick tutorial on how you can install and download Scratch. Because if you don't know, you can program the Arduino with Scratch. But here I'm gonna do a beginner tutorial. I'm gonna do a quick beginner tutorial on how to install Scratch, and then in the second video I'm gonna show how to make games and start getting fun with it. And in the third video I'm gonna show you how to program Arduino with it and all the necessary things you have to do. So first, here, jump into Chrome. I'm using Chrome or any web browser and type scratch.mit.edu and hit enter. While we are waiting, I encourage you to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bells so you don't miss anything. So here I already created an account, Arduino. And I'm gonna sign out real quick. If you don't have an account, this is what is gonna appear. Some stuff. Oh, I spotted something. Okay, so, and we had here, it's for kids, but everyone, like, honestly could do things with it. And here you click join Scratch, and then you make your username, just type in some stuff, password, like this, next. Oh yeah, it has to, okay. So like, I'm gonna type like 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6. Now it's just to show you, don't do this, and no. And by the way, if no, and I can do it. So by the way, if you are really creating an account, then don't do this here because it's not secure. Okay, so like I would do like something like this, and with characters like this, so it's difficult, and I encourage you to get a password manager to do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6, this, and I'm gonna make like there. Oh, already taken. And hold on real quick, I'm gonna turn the annoying notification. When I finish, I see you there. So here guys, I turned it off. So here, oh yeah, it's already taken. 1 2 3 4. Okay, no, this there, no, never. And why this shows up, and select your country. I'm just gonna like select something. And by the way, this is not my country. A month, like November, yeah, something like that. And select your gender. I'm a male. And your email address, and then you can create an account and you have a verification. So I have an account and I don't want to do these stuff. I'm gonna sign in instead, and I have all the information. I'm not silly enough to show the code, so sign in, and there, I'm gonna just, okay. Oh, so here you are in the in your Scratch panel. So here, what you want to do, so here you can already create projects. So there is one thing you have to do. Scroll here and go to create, click on create, and then you wait again and again. Okay. This is too much waiting here. Well, while we are waiting, I'm announcing my new gaming channel. Yep, because I'm a big fan of games and I launched a gaming channel, so I'm gonna put a link in the description. So if you want to check that out, yeah, so feel free. I make Minecraft, Roblox, like a lot of videos, a lot of games. And I made one video, and then the second video is gonna be maybe Roblox or something like that. And now here, when you open this, when this opens, you have the projects here. You can name your project. So, okay, I'm just naming. Okay, I'm gonna name it like my number one game. It's a little bit weird, but okay. And here you have like the commands. It's gonna name it by default. So here you have the commands: move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, turn right, turn left 15 degrees, and then go to random position, go to X, these coordinates, glide 1 second in random position. So you have the point, like you have motion, looks, sounds, controls, sensing, all of this stuff, and you have plugins. So you have video sensing, which I'm not gonna do, music, pen, translate, make, microbit here. I don't have this, but it will come sooner in the channel, and you have basically all of this. Now maybe you don't have internet, or maybe if you're watching this video, I guess you have internet, but in a short period of time, and you want to make projects without having continuously needing internet. So what you want to do is make a new tab and type scratch download. Once you click on scratch download, okay, it's in French, but I'm gonna translate to English. So yeah, so here when you type scratch download, go to the first link, which I don't recommend you to do, but go here, Scratch Offline Editor, MIT. So once you get here, you have Scratch, Create, Explore, all of this, and you have your account here. But what's interesting here, you can download. Okay, I can't. Okay, so you can download this, and then choose your system, Mac or Chrome OS or Android. I'm using Windows, and you can either get it from Microsoft or direct download. I'm gonna choose direct download, like this. And if you don't have this pop-up, then it will be in the downloads folder, in the folder Explorer. So while we are waiting, you have the versions here. You can download either of the versions, and you have here some descriptions here, but I'm not a big fan of the older versions, especially if you want like stylish things. I'm using the latest version. So here it's downloading, it's half, and when it's finished downloading, I see you there. So here guys, it's downloaded. So what you want to do here is go here and click on it. Click on the exe file, .exe. So yeah, I know it's in French because my second language is French, but don't care about this. I'm gonna translate. So here it says like choose for who this program is for, and here in my case it's just for me, or like for all the people who use this laptop or PC. I'm just me because I'm the only one who uses this PC. So hit install and we wait again and again. So while we are waiting, I encourage you, if you didn't, I re-encourage you to smash the like button and turn the notifications so you don't miss out on my videos. And I make great content, and smash the like button so if you like it, and it helps me a ton, and it's free. So yep. Okay, so here launch Scratch 3. This is the new version, and hit close and it should launch if I'm not mistaken. And boom, just like that, it opened. I'm just gonna make it in English because it's currently in French. I don't. Here. There. So you have basically the same things, the same plugins, but it's offline, and this is what you want if you don't have internet. So like here I can do like a quick program event. When flag is clicked, turn like this and then turn back, so we did nothing. Move 10 steps, control forever, like forever turn 15 degrees. So when I click here, you can see immediately starts doing this. Or maybe I'm gonna make a delay. Delete this clone. Create. Okay. I think that there is a delay somewhere, somehow. There is. Oh yeah. Wait 1 second, and then wait 1 second, and wait 1 second. Here now we have our code, and then yeah. So there you have it, guys. Hope you liked, and maybe if you want some more content, you can subscribe, and it's free and it helps out a ton. And there you go. If you like them, please share, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.
What they gon' do, shit?